In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop. So currently I've got the light mode enabled. If you want to go ahead and enable the dark mode, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is come down to the bottom and in the search box, you want to go ahead and type settings. Then what you want to do is click onto settings, which should show up underneath best match to go into your settings. From your settings window, what you want to do now is come across to this menu on the left hand side, look for personalization and give it a click. Then what you want to do is come down and look for themes, so you can see that's just here, give that a click. And as you can see, if we scroll down slightly, you can see my current theme is set to Windows Light. So you should see the dark theme showing up here. It's actually this one here, Windows Dark. All you want to do is give that a click. And once you give this a click, as you can see, that's going to enable the dark mode theme on Windows 11. So that is how to enable dark mode on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.